dikitan itong ating first set between the undefeated league-leading Cagayan Valley Rising Suns and the Philippine Air Force. At nagka-problema sa serve doon. Ito si Wendy Semana, diretso sa net. Of course, Semana playing against her former coach nung college, si Nes Pamilar.
Siyempre, marami naman dyan na kalaban si Coach Nes ngayon sa
Right.
FEU. Dahil lumipat na nga ng team.
Marami-rami rin yan. As we see the attack there coming from Tabaquero. Here's Di Maculangan now going to Cases. Another cross-court attack na hindi na naman nakuha ni Jonella. Air Force has been hanging on to the lead for a long time. Back row. Nice anticipation from Micah Ortiz. At alam niya kung saan nanggagaling yung tira nito si Tipachot. Dalawa po ang abante rito ng Air Force. De Ramos. Jonella, Soraya, kailangan tumakbo pero naahis pa rin yung set para dito kay Pao Soriano. Yan ang magaling na setter. Kahit na anong reception, nagagawa niya ng paraan. 18-17, nababa sa isang kalamangan dito ng Air Force. Soriano with the serve. Now they go to Cases once again. This time nilusot at hindi na maabutan ni Angge. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Itong open spikers ng Philippine Air Force ang gumagawa ng damage ngayong araw na to sa Cagayan Valley.
And I'm looking on sa floor dito. Naalala ko nung when I first started covering the Shakey's B-League in 2007, nandun na si Tabaquero, si Maiso, at itong Cases. Silang tatlo lang ang nandyan. At samantala, ito namang si Judy Caballero was able to contribute. Actually, when they came back, nakalaro ka agad si Mitch na to win the next day. Ito, nakapagpahinga pa ng ilang araw. 3 araw pa sila nagpahinga. Si Mitch
Galing
Datuin.
silang Thailand.
Yes, yes.
And if I'm correct, one hour tayo advance.
1 hour advance in time, and the travel time by air from Bangkok to the Philippines is about 3 hours, 3.5 hours.
Mabilis lang.
Oo, pero galing sa Corat City, nice block there coming from Caballero. Galing sa Corat City naman papuntang Bangkok is about 3.5 to 4 hours naman.
Magaling bumasa ito dahil beach volleyball player
Isa
to
pa yun, oo.
Pag dalawa lang kayo sa loob ng court, sa akin na yan, sa'yo na
That's
yan.
right.
Kayong dalawa lang mag-uusap dyan.
And that serve is overloaded. Galing naman dito kay Joy Cases. Ngayon si Angge Tabaquero, the captain, trying to serve. Again, nursing a shoulder injury and a right ankle sprain. Overshot that time. Tipachot tries to put it away. Bumalik sa panig ng Rising Suns. Tipachot, easy entry to zone 1. And daling puntos yun para dito sa kupunan ng Rising Suns. They are down by 2. Caballero. Jonella this time digs it up. Tipachot trying to go over. Nandun si Caballero. Dimac papunta rito kay Ortiz. Soraya now sets it up for Tipachot. And Tipachot will overshoot. Errors again plaguing the Philippine, make that the Rising Suns.
Tumatahimik itong koponan ng Cagayan Valley as opposed to Philippine Air Force na paingay ng paingay. Mas lalo sila na nabubuhayan dahil nga, of course, 3 points up sila sa larong to.
As sinasabi nga ni Coach Nes, kulang na lang tayo sa usap. Quick set kayo mapunta rito kay Wenneth Eulalio. Soraya now, back set mapunta kay Tipachot. They cannot execute. Ang ganda ng depensa rito ng Air Force. Tabaquero keeping it alive. Eulalio now, free ball coming up from Tipachot. Semana, Di Maculangan going to Caballero. Caballero over everybody. Long rally. Here's Tipachot on the angle. Hindi na ilusot. So an unforced error again against Cagayan Valley. It could be a case of rustiness after not having been together for a long time. Here's Tipachot. Naabangan na naman ni Semana. And a free ball given up by Tabaquero. Oy! Abanto na tisod. Nagkabangga. Sumigaw na ng mind si Cases. Kinuha pa rin ni Abanto.
Iba talaga pag pinaninindigan masyado ang posisyon.
Right.
It's her job.
It's her job. Pero may sumigaw na ng mind.
Paano, sa volleyball ay ko iniisip, paano pag pareho kayo sumigaw ng mind, hindi kayo magkakarinigan.
Sa baseball, may mga ganyan kami problema rin eh. Oh, nice dig that time by Jonella. Here is Tipachot. And is there a check ball? No, there is none. And Tipachot cannot believe it. Now substitution here, Maria Legaspi. Papasok. Papalitan nito si Micah Ortiz. Si Legaspi, kargado serve nito. 4 set points now for the Philippine Air Force.
Nagreklamo itong koponan ng Cagayan Valley.
Yep.
Pero once tinawag yan ang first referee natin, Noel, wala na tayong magagawa. Walang, ang daming challenge.
Wala na eh. Well, yung challenge, you cannot challenge a judgment call. In any sport, actually. Overreaching naman daw, hinahanap ngayon dito na Cagayan Valley. The rally is still alive. Here's Aiza Maizo. And Maizo puts it away. But Nes Pamilar is still going to challenge that last one. Na overreaching daw. Ngayon, pati itong Air Force may china-challenge dito sa ating first referee.
Overreaching din daw.
Oo. Kanya-kanya
Pwede ba
sila.
Kasi dalawa na rinereklamo nila na check ball na pumaling yung bola. Pero
Yes.
sabi nung dalawang referee, wala daw.
So we'll see if they can get over that. Still 3 set points para dito sa Philippine Air Force. Eulalio. Abanto. Di makulangan. Quick set, Lisa De Ramos. Nandun si Soraya. Maizo now setting up Tipachot. And Tipachot attacking the face of Joy Cases.
Buti lang mga volleyball player, mabibilis umilag, Noel.
Oo.
Kasi
Nagtulang the Matrix doon.
pag ganyan kalalakas mo ang pass ng volleyball, katulad dito pa shot.
Oo.
Ako, tatakpan ko na yung
Awa
mukha
ng
ko.
Diyos, hindi ka pa natatamaan sa mukha ng puro ng
Mabilis ako
volleyball.
umilag. Yan yung pinapractice ko pag training talaga. Umilag.
Right. Soraya. Oh, Aiza Maizo overtips that one. Chance now here for Semana. Dug up well. Eto kayo, Tipachot. Dalawa attacker. They go to Semana. Oh, Semana over everybody, and that will give the set to the Philippine Air Force. 25-22. So parang yung una nilang meeting, although sa una nilang meeting sa second set na nakuha ng Air Force, yung kanilang pagkapanalo, they were able to steal a set from Cagayan Valley. May kita po natin ang ating shake in play. Simpleng-simple lang para kay Wendy Semana. Late coverage from Tabaquero. And the Air Force takes the first set.